Doing well. Today I will talk about a ion chamber smoke detector. At first I will test the project and go to the schematic and talk a little bit about working structure. So at first I will burn this tissue. Very good. Very good. So this project needs 4 transistors. One transistor is FET, JFET, the MPF102. 2N7000 is also good for this project. This is the schematic. First look to the project. We need 4 transistors, 2 resistors, 1 base, battery clip, and the ion chamber. The nuclear material is this one. This is small metal piece here. So the chamber comes with 3 pins. One is the ground here. One is connected to the nuclear material, and the other one is a smaller chamber. This one I did not use. If we need big ion chamber, we should use the big chamber. Otherwise we will use a smaller one, this one. The distance between the nuclear material and the chamber depended to the pin that we are using. Very well. So let's go to the project. At first you should know, when you are working with the ion chambers, you are working with the very weak nuclear materials, and the sign and the symbols is a little it will show you that this item needs some shield to use and is not good to use when you don't have shield. So you should take care. It is here. Take care when you're working with the ion chamber. Very good. This is my ion chamber with 3 output. The 9-volt battery. This MPF102 will work as the base driver. We need 2 NPN and 1 PNP just for sensitivity. I use 6.8 mega resistor for the PNP voltage divider and 2.2 mega. These two. The last transistor that you use is much better to use the MPS family. The MPS 18 is very well for this project. It's very sensitive. If you don't have the ion chamber, is something like $2-3 over online. If you don't have it, you can use the cola can or other inductive cans, and when the smoke come into the ion chamber, the inductivity will be changed with the MPS 18, and the connection to the base will be open here. And to stop buzzing, you should short the ground and the base connection, base pin of the MPS 18. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope to enjoy this video, and goodbye. Let me know your idea about this project. Goodbye.